Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to ask you guys a question. Why do they keep having grand openings for places that are not finished? Now this is a Morant Bay Urban Center. They had a grand opening a few weeks ago. I think it was like 3,000 people. The Prime Minister opened the facility. So I thought, okay, the urban center must be open. You go there, security is telling you it's not open, that not even electricity connected, and I'm just wondering, why don't they wait till these facilities are finished and up and running to have these grand opening ceremonies? Now the same thing was done with the Southern Coastal Highway. They had this massive grand opening. I think it was what? Maybe over a year ago, maybe 2 years. I don't remember the date. And to this day, that road is not finished. I just don't understand why they do these things. Guys, let me know what you think. No, don't get me wrong. This is a world-class facility. It has put St. Thomas on the map. The highway has put St. Thomas on the map. But what I don't understand is why not wait till the facility is open? Why not wait until even one store is open in the facility to have the grand opening? Right now, you cannot even drive on into this facility because the security is telling you it's not opened. No store is opened over here, according to the security. And they don't even allow the public onto the compound because it's still under construction. So it's strange. I'll never, guys, why do you think they do these things? I know. Well, let's leave that alone. So we're going to go through an article that gives a little bit more information about what's happening here at the urban center. Despite the optimism, the rollout of the urban center has not been without criticism. Members of the opposition and sections of the public have questioned the decision to host an official opening ceremony before tenants were operational. Concerns have also been raised about delays in utility connections, transparency in funding, and the true readiness of the center at the time of the event. Critics argue that such ribbon cutting should reflect full functionality rather than political milestones. Nonetheless, government officials maintain that the phase opening is part of a broader rollout strategy and that the facility is on track to become fully operational in the near term. Okay guys, that's the end of the update article. Now, to what we understand, not one tenant is operational at this facility. As we said earlier, the public is not allowed on the compound. I don't know. Guys, Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Now, this facility is going to do extremely well. It is fully booked out. Straight ahead, that's the tax office and the passport office. To the right is the new courthouse. Very nice facility, booked out. But I just don't get why they opened it before it was operational, or why they had an opening ceremony. And also the Southern Coastal Highway, game changer. But the road was not finished when they opened it, and it's still not finished. No. Alright guys, have a good day.